Hello, Barbara Ann Mojica, aka Little Miss History, with you for another session of the 2-Minute Teacher. How to set up a mini lesson in just a couple of minutes. Today's lesson is an engineering activity, building a tower out of noodles. And the objective of this lesson is to share design ideas, use spatial and kinesthetic skills, and learn by using trial and error. The materials that will be needed are listed on the template that you will be able to download from Little Bins, for Little Hands, and that link will be on my Pinterest board in the show notes. So let's look at the template. Here is the template: Junior Engineer Spaghetti Marshmallow Tower. Okay, and here are the materials that you will need. You will need 20 sticks of spaghetti, 3 feet of string, 3 feet of tape, a watch or a timer, a measuring tape or ruler, and 1 jumbo marshmallow. And don't worry, all of these are listed right on the template. Now, the time period that the student has for doing this is 18 minutes. How do you proceed? First, you assemble all of those materials that we talked about. And if you're doing this in a group, have the group share some design ideas. If you're doing this with one student, you may want to use some of the design ideas that are sketched out on the template, or talk with the student about what he or she thinks might be a successful design. Then start building the tower. Set the timer, start building the tower. The tower must support that jumbo marshmallow on the top. Now, if you fail, you just try again and reset the timer until succeeding. Because remember, you only have 18 minutes to complete the challenge. And don't be disappointed if you fail. Just try again. Once you do succeed in building a tower that supports the marshmallow, you're going to measure it. And here on the template, it tells you what you must do, the number of noodles you used, how tall it is, how wide it is, and how long it is. Hope you've had fun with this activity. Please hit subscribe to get new teaching activities on different subjects every Friday. And if you want even more inspiration for the entire family, check out my website at www.littlemisshistory.com. Until next time, bye.